Everyone's done it. Waited until 10 o'clock on a school night to do your laundry that has to be done before tomorrow's game. Or ran out of underwear, so instead of doing laundry, you went and bought some more. Maybe it's not your fault. Maybe you're 17 years old and your mom still does your laundry. I'm here today to relieve these duties from your mom and maybe just make your late night freakouts a little bit less stressful. First, we will turn the materials needed to do laundry right side out. Then we will sort through the steps of how to do laundry. And finally, we will put away our clean laundry and reap the benefits of having it done. As we look over this huge mess of laundry, we realize that we will need to have a few materials readily available and handy. First, you will need the obvious things: a washer and dryer, some dirty clothes, a laundry basket, laundry detergent, but there are some less obvious things that some inexperienced people may forget, like fabric softener, dryer sheets, and a place to hang wet clothes so that way clothes that cannot be dried have a place to dry. Now that we have learned what we need to do in order to start the laundry washing process, we can move on to how it's done. First, you should take your dirty clothes and sort them into different piles that you would need to wash. And then you will turn them right side out so that way they all are going into the washer correctly. Then you will take your turned right side out clothes and you will put them in the washing machine, and then you will put the fabric softener in the fabric softener's compartment and the laundry detergent in the laundry detergent's compartment. And then you want to make sure that you don't fill the laundry washer all the way full. You want it to be at most 3/4 of the way full, so that way all of the clothes have room to move around and get clean. Then you will select your cycle and press start. This usually takes an hour to an hour and a half, so during this time you can either start to get more laundry right side out and into their different piles, or you can do something else that's productive, or you can just sit and relax. Once the washing machine is done, you can move your washed clothes into the dryer. First, you will need to sort them and make sure that everything that's going into the dryer can be put in the dryer. A lot of clothes need to be air dried because some things like jeans just are not supposed to be dried, or materials that can melt in the dryer should not be dried. Nice clothes should not be dried, or things that shrink should not be dried. So they'll all be set out onto a laundry rack that looks like this, or onto a rack that hangs clothes. Once the dryer is done, then this will take about 45 minutes to an hour, and then you will fold your clothes and take them out and then put them away, and that will complete the laundry washing cycle. There are also some benefits of washing clothes. In order to reward yourself for a job well done, you'll want to know some of the benefits. Money saving is something that a lot of people work towards, and washing your own laundry at home costs $1.52 per load. But if you use high efficiency washers and dryers, which most people do, it only costs $1.22 with high efficiency appliances. If you go to a laundromat, it can cost up to $4 a load, and if you go and have your clothes dry cleaned, it can cost $4 an outfit. This is all according to moneycrashers.com. There are also benefits emotionally and physically. Wearing clean clothes makes you more confident, and it makes you smell good, which can lead to having more friends and being happier overall. Doing laundry forces you to be more productive, and so you'll get on like a cleaning spree, and then you'll want to clean your room or do the dishes or anything else that would help improve just your lifestyle. It gives you a sense of motivation to continue doing laundry and to continue doing other things as well. Knowing that you have your laundry done can also give you a sense of accomplishment and makes you feel like you've done something, which increases your mood as well. Now that we have completed our laundry washing process, I can assure you that we have learned how to turn the materials needed right side out. We have sorted through the steps of how to wash your clothes, and we have folded and put away our clean laundry. Hopefully you have learned a more effective way of doing your laundry, or you have learned how to do your laundry in the first place, and that way your mom will not have to do your laundry anymore. Thank you.